color and you are seeking for a healthy and safe method on how to lighten skin complexion with Francoise Bedon Lotion, then this video is for you. You are in the right place. So stick around with me till the end of this video. Let me give you step-by-step method on how to mix this lotion so that you can achieve an even lighter skin complexion. Let's go there. Hello, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I will show you the hidden secrets of how to match creams with different skin types. I will show you how to make soaps and creams. So if this is the sort of thing that you are interested in, kindly hit that red button that says subscribe, and also press that little bell by the side of the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Okay, so let's get started. So as per the title, I'm going to be doing a review on Francoise Bedon Lotion. So my review is going to be based on the ingredient listing, my personal experience with the lotion, and also suggestions if you want to lighten your complexion using this particular lotion. I will be giving you suggestions on how to go about it in a safe way, okay, so you don't damage your skin. So what I normally advise is that whenever you go and buy any cream product, any cream for your skin, okay, always pay attention to the ingredient listing. It is very, very important, because from the ingredient listing you will be able to determine whether that particular cream will be good for your skin type or not. And also it is very important for you to know your skin type. So in today's review on Francoise Bedon Lotion, I'm going to be listing some ingredients. The ingredients are many and they are it was really very tiny, so I had to jot it down so as to drive my points home. Now, the first 7 ingredients, like I said before, of any particular product is very, very important. Now, for this Francoise Bedon Lotion, it has aqua, glycerin stearate, isopropyl palmitate, it has glycerin, cetyl alcohol, petrolatum, and perfume. It has all other ingredients, but I want to base my review today majorly on these first 7 items listed here. Now, cetyl alcohol, do not mistake it for alcohol. Okay, so cetyl alcohol does not necessarily mean alcohol. It's an emulsifier, it's an emollient. It combines oils and water together, okay, and it's a kind of skin conditioner. But what is important there to note is the isopropyl palmitate. That is not good for an oily skin. So if you are an oily skin person, know that isopropyl palmitate is not actually good for oily skin. It actually enhances a dry skin person. It makes the skin is good. Let me say that it is good for people with dry skin. Okay, so when you're looking out for Francoise Bedon Lotion, the carrot, I don't know of it has other variants anyway, but because I'm basing my review today on the carrot variant of Francoise Bedon, based on this I'm doing my reports. Okay, so that is not actually good for an oily skin person. So what this means is that if you decide to pick up the Francoise Bedon carrot variant, know that carrot variant is good for people with dry skin, is good for people with combination skin and normal skin. It's also good for people with sensitive skin. Okay, the thing you need to know about cream is that what is good for me may not be good for you, but based on science and the research that I have done so far, it has come to my knowledge, and I'm also a living witness that this version, as in this carrot variant, is not actually too good for people with oily skin. Okay, so also it has other lightening components in it. It has carrot extract, and you know, of course, carrot extract is a lightening agent. Also, it has licorice extract, okay, it has ascorbic acid, lighten, and all those. So these are the ingredients. Now you know that if you have dry combination or normal skin, sensitive skin, you can actually go for Francoise Bedon carrot lotion. Okay, so now with my personal experience with it, when I bought these products, I used it for like 2 weeks, and I observed that, because before then I used to have white dots on my leg, and I discovered that after using this product for like 2 weeks, I discovered that the white dots began to disappear. So they were disappearing gradually. So I now continued. I made sure that, because normally, usually I don't finish my creams, I get tired of creams easily, so I decided to use it, and I discovered that it actually cleared my white dots. But I'm not saying that it will clear your own, but this was what happened to me. But if in case you don't know what the type of cream I'm talking about, this is carrot version. This is the carrot, Francoise Bedon carrot. So this is what I've almost, in fact, I've finished the cream. It's just a little remaining on it. This cream was actually very good, but the problem is that there are so many fake. You really can't tell or determine the good one, except if you can buy directly from their website. Okay, now for you to know if this cream is the original, it is a thick lotion. It is actually thick. It is not running. It's not a running liquid. So if you buy anyone that is running, know that it is fake. Also, the smell, it has a pungent smell though, so that made me to want to believe that there's some element of hydroquinone in it. But I know that hydroquinone is not good for my skin, or it gives me white dots. So this one cleared my white dots. Okay, so that means that it doesn't have hydroquinone in it. But most of the Francoise Bedon lotion they ship to Africa has hydroquinone, so you have to be very, very, very careful when you are buying Francoise Bedon lotion. So what you can, it has a pungent smell, but the smell is not that strong. Of course, you know that, of course, any cream that has hydroquinone also has a pungent smell, but you have to be careful, because the pungent smell that this one has is not very strong. If it is strong, know that it has hydroquinone in it. Secondly, if you have used this can for up to 1 month and you notice that it becomes brown, something like dark brown, know that it has hydroquinone in it. I'm not saying that hydroquinone is totally bad, but too much of hydroquinone is not good. And you know, we are in our climate is hot, so when you use a cream that has hydroquinone in it, make sure not to stay under the sun for longer than necessary. And also, it's also advisable for you to use sunscreen. So that is by the wayside. So I noticed that this Francoise Bedon lotion was actually very good for my skin, and it's also lighting. It also removed the white dots I had on my leg. That white dot was actually caused by a cream I used before that had hydroquinone in it. So that's my personal experience with this lotion. Now, if you want this lotion to lighten you, you have to add other lightening ingredients in it so that it can lighten you. But I don't advise women and ladies to go more than 2 shades above their ordinary their skin type. Okay, so do not, because by the time you go overboard, by the time you go more than 1 or 2 shades lighter than what you have before, maybe 3 or 4 shades, you begin to experience dark knuckles. No matter the kind of cream you use, your skin will break as time goes on. So if you want to lighten, please lighten with sense. Okay, it is not cool for you to have your body will be yellow, then your hands and your feet will be like coke, will be dark. It's not cool at all. It's not cool. In fact, let me just say that. Okay, so if you want this lotion to lighten you a little bit, like I said before, 1 or 2 shades lighter, you have to mix other lightening components into it, so that it can give you that brighter look and all of those. But please and please, you have to be careful too with what you mix with it. Already this has lightening ingredients in it, has licorice, carrot extract and all of those. Okay, so if you want to make it stronger, you can add serum or tube to it. Actually, I don't like tubes because it contains both clobetasol and hydroquinone, and for me hydroquinone is not good for my skin, so I don't even go near hydroquinone at all. And I don't want to be like fair or yellow. I don't like it, but I like to have a brown complexion, which I already have, and I am okay with that. Okay, so but if you want to be lighter than brown, let me say 2 shades lighter, you can mix it with this serum. Okay, I particularly chose this serum because this serum is very, very nice. If you want to achieve that yellowish kind of complexion, so you can mix. What you do is you take 250 ml, which is half of this bottle, you mix it with 3/4, that is more than half of this serum. Okay, I don't know if you can read it, but it is glutathione comprime superfort. If you are using this serum to mix this lotion, please do it with care. Okay, you don't have to go overboard. The process of pro mixing or cream mixing for your skin, less is more. I do not believe in using too much of steroids on your skin. Okay, do not abuse it because your skin will break if it becomes too much. Okay, so you mix it with this, and then in order to prevent reaction, you can add bell eclat kenacol. You can add let me say 2 tablespoonfuls, which is 30 ml of bell eclat kenacol, into this mixture. Okay, now it is also important to note that lightening agent actually dries out the skin. So in order to prevent drying out your skin, you can add 30 ml of almond oil or carrot oil, but do not put coconut oil because coconut oil it darkens the skin. Okay, so with this 3, you are good to go. You will achieve that yellowish kind of complexion. Okay, you will not be black, you will not be kind of dark brown, but you just be yellowish brown. Okay, and your skin complexion, it will not give you knuckles if you do it the way I have advised. Okay, it will not give you dark knuckles. But dark knuckles, apart from people who are actually born with dark knuckles, most of the dark knuckles you see and the darker feet you see is as a result of trying to be more than 2 shades lighter than what you already are. Okay, so in order to avoid dark knuckles, or in order for it to be easy for you to clear your dark knuckles, try as much as possible not to lighten your complexion more than 2 shades. Okay, it is very important you note that the skin is the largest organ in the body, and putting too much clobetasol and hydroquinone and lightening components on your skin will actually put your liver in a state of activity, high activity. So it is advisable not to overwork your liver. Okay, so when you do this, I can assure you that you will achieve a very, very fine skin tone. If you do this for like 1 month, send me an email. You can leave a comment when you see that this combination that I have told you today, if you see that it works for you, don't forget to send me an email or leave me a comment in the comment section below. Okay, and also there's something I want to say. I don't know why I keep forgetting, but anyway, if I remember, I will say it in subsequent videos. Now, please, if you are using serum to mix your lotion, do not add tubes to it, because tubes have a certain percentage of clobetasol and hydroquinone. Serums are loaded with clobetasol. So if you find this video very useful, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit on that little bell by the side so you'll be notified anytime I come up with new videos. Like I said before, I'm going to be teaching you a lot of things like cream making, soap making, mixing creams for different skin types. And if you have any question, leave them in the comment section below, okay? I'm going to reply every enquiries that you make, okay? And then if you are looking for any particular products that you want to buy and you don't have it, you can send me a message through my comment section, okay? And I'll get across to you. I'm currently working on my website. As soon as it is ready, I'm going to be leaving the website address on the screen so that you can purchase anything you want to buy, okay? I love you all. Bye until next time.